So I went to my local thrift shop and found this nice tall glass vase I wanted to redecorate. And since I see myself gravitating to the modern minimal look nowadays, I went online and found a few inspirations. Making sure the glass is clean, free of residue, oil, debris. You want to start off with a clean canvas. I'm using one of the sample paints from Home Depot in the color, I forgot what color that was, but I ended up mixing another color into it anyways. I didn't like the color by itself. And right now I'm mixing baking soda just a little bit for the first coat, just enough to give it a little texture. Right here, I'm using one of my acrylic paints by Martha Stewart in the color Wedding Cake. I decided to mix that in since that is the white I was going for. Not like a pure white, but like that creamy white. And yeah. Keeping in mind this is the first coat, so it doesn't have to be extra perfect. This is all about making sure everything covered and making sure everything is set for the second coat to glide on. Off camera, I went ahead and added the leftover baking soda I had in the bowl into the paint just to give it the thickness I was looking for, more like the concrete look. After letting the paint dry for a couple of hours, I'm just making sure there's no dirt, no fibers, no hairs, no debris. You don't want any hairs, you don't want anything sticking to the paint before you spray paint. And this is the final result. I really love the texture. This is exactly what I was going for. So go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. And don't forget to like, subscribe. I will be doing more future videos on DIYs. So thank you for watching.